So a quick review. You select the object. You select the pin tool, the puppet pin tool. Then you put the pins. Then you rename the pins. Hand, elbow, shoulder. Then you click on the layer, click on bones, select the hand, click on controller. Then you parent the hand with the elbow with the shoulder, and then you select the hand, hold control, then right elbow, right shoulder, and then the controller. And then you hit the IK and you're all set to go. Let's do it. Click on hand, then put the pins with Control P. I'm gonna start from here, from the hand, shoulder, and hand, elbow. Hey, what was this? This is called stomach. No, sorry, I made a mistake. And then hit V. Then rename the pins. How do you do that? Here in mesh, then deform, then here I have the pins. Let's call this, look, it's that one. Let me put this closer. This one is that one. The puppet pin 1 is the hand, so let's put right hand. Then this one is right elbow. Then right shoulder. What happens if you don't rename? You know what? I'm feeling lazy. Well, it's going to bring you trouble in the long run. So, be warned. Just rename them and follow the instructions and you'll be fine. Okay, now that I've renamed them, I click here to deselect everyone and hit on bones. Boom. Now I have the bones for the left hand, left elbow, left shoulder, and the right hand, right elbow, and right shoulder. Now I pick the right hand and controller. Boom. Then, in what order do you do this? Well, you select that and you add... Oh, wait. First, you parent them. Right hand with the elbow. Elbow with the shoulder. So now I hold control, hand, elbow, shoulder, controller. Then click on IK and deselect the controls for stretch and click OK. All set to go. Now I have this hand. Let me hide the other one. These guys, the duplicates, the line, the duplicate, and the mat. Now I can see everything. Now you know the drill. Let's do that for the leg. I'm going to hide the mat, the duplicate, and the line. And I'm gonna do the same here because I want to appreciate what I'm doing. Leg. I put the pins. Rename them. Left foot. Left knee. Left knee. No, hip. Click on the layer. Click on bones. Pick the foot, left foot, controller. Parent them. Foot with knee, knee with hip. And now I click on foot, knee, hip, and controller. Click on IK. Deselect the stretch. Okay, there you go. And then you do the same with the other leg. I'm going to skip that part of the video. If you need, you can review this section, but you basically do the same. Okay. Bow! And we are all set.
I wanna go to the bathroom.
No, wait. We still have work to do. Look, now you can animate him. Oh, it's all ready. Hey, I don't like that elbow in that direction. Don't worry, that's why I need this panel right here, effect controls. You can just click there and click on IK orientation. Book, it changes the direction, you see? So that's why this plugin is super awesome. So if you don't want him to go like, I want to go to the bathroom, you can go like, yeah, I want to dance, 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 okay? Now, in the next tutorial, I'm going to show you how to hide this line, okay?